Today we decided to explore Hermosa Creek area, about 25 miles north of Durango off of 550. We were soon greeted by free grazing cattle, and I love any chance to see cows. These guys were sporting some bovine bling with their GPS trackers. Soon, the road opened into a large valley that was incredibly green. There was a beautiful stream meandering through, and a sign said it was full of cutthroat trout. My grandpa would have loved this. The Harris Ranch sat below, where John Harris purchased 480 acres and the ranch for $2,000 back in 1934, mortgaging everything he owned. For over 30 years, they raised cattle and drove them down to New Mexico every October for the winter and back every June. They sold the property to the Forest Service in 1991. I always have the camera on me ready for any little critter, and we did see some. This cute marmot family, I think, was posing for me, and other little ones were coming out left and right. So adorable. I could have just sat there and watched them for hours.
Most possible fun a human can have.
Guess who's gonna drive through the river on the way back?
You? Are you?
Yep.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Crossing this. I guess I'm gonna drive for a little bit. This one's really rocky though.
All right, Bee's doing her first one, and it's not an easy one. Just take it nice and slow.
Steer over to the right? Or straddle it?
Just go straight.
Ooh, we're sliding.
That's okay. It's steep. It's gonna get really bumpy here.
Oh, that was smoother than when you did it.
It was. You did a great job.
Now he lost his driving. I didn't give it back to him after the river.
I wanted to let her do the river. I didn't know she was gonna drive.
Well, unfortunately, it's time to turn around. It keeps sprinkling, and if this clay gets slippery, it could be bad. So we have to turn around. One of my favorites.
It is amazing. But you can start to see the ground, the consistency of the ground is starting to change. And once clay gets a certain amount of dampness, you can get stuck, you can slide. It's a disaster.
Yep, so we're gonna get off. It's just light sprinkles, but that builds up. So we're gonna head on back down. We got pretty far on this trail, and it has been
The road's been pretty good.
Yeah, it's not like super rocky.
There's a couple parts in
Yeah,
there,
it's been really good. Ooh, mountain back roads. No, he's too scared to go across the river, so I gotta drive him. It's okay, baby. I got you.
She said when we go across that river. Take a picture of her driving as you in the middle. She's you know how to drive, right? Towards the edge? Yeah. Head across straight.
There's Daisy waiting for us in the window. Oh, what are you doing when it's sprinkling out?
Sit in your tent.
You hang out in your tent. Ah, so relaxing. And our view looks like a big panoramic screen. It's just so perfect. Mountainy drives it. We've done Backroads. Look at you. You got your papa. Do you miss your papa? Oh, yeah. She's happy. What do you see, Daisy? What do you see? Yeah. Time to relax with a good... What are you guys watching?
I'm watching a show called Receiver.
Ah, you're watching football together.
We are.
That's awesome. What's for dinner, Lance?
Hot dogs and fries.
Ooh. Hot dogs and fries sound good. I had myself a fantastic nap over in the tent, but woke up really cold. It is a chilly night. A type of night that I think Daisy loves bonfires, don't you?
She does.
A little later, Bob from the camper next door came over and gave us some insights on the area.
Road, there's a sign.
He also loved Indian history, and Lance and him talked for hours about it by the fire.
National Forest, and you go back here, there's free camping all along this road.
I got cold and headed in where the girls and I did some bug hunting. Is there a bug up there? Go get it. Get it, Daisy. What is that? Go get the bug. When Lance finally came in, I challenged him to a friendly competition of Scrabble. I won't say who won. This morning, the cats were sleeping in, which is what I wish I was doing, but instead, I was doing some hard work for Lance.
Thank you, honey, for cleaning all the hair out of my shaver. What a good girlfriend.
I told you I'm a good girlfriend.
Look at all that hair.
Okay, you're good. I don't want... We were gonna head out kayaking this afternoon, but right now it looks like there's a storm heading over the mountains there, so I think we'll wait. Okay, we're getting ready for sitting down, get our chairs in. It's the first time this tent will be in the rain. And we got these panels. Put it on the sides over there so it won't get wet inside. I know we want a little bit of view, but we don't want to get wet.
Okay, we're waiting for the storm to come in, which could be substantial. But in the meantime, we just thought we'd play some Racco. We just dealt the cards, and this is what I have. Let's see what Joe has. Oh, just kidding.
If you've never played Racco, it is so fun.
It's actually fun.
It's a super fun, easy little game, and it packs up in a Ziploc bag. It's really fun.
I want you to say Racco really slow.
Racco. Why?
Just want to know. Thanks, Faith.
What is something good to do on rainy days? Go shopping. Time to resupply. We also had such a good dinner at Grassburgers a couple of days ago that we went back here again. We came back for this. Look at that. And Lance, this time,
Got this.
got a double burger.
It's pretty good.
Whew, we didn't get back until after dark here. 9:18. The girls were starving. Usually eat around 7. Where to start? Put away. Another rainy day, but it was good just to get some things done around the camper and do some relaxing. Here's our meal tonight. Salmon with the honey bourbon from the Honeyville, beets, spinach salad with nuts and cranberries. Lance has
New York strip steak.
New York strip steak and baby potatoes. And we're drinking our mead apricot honey, which is delicious.
Fantastic.
The rain stopped, and there's our view. Oh, good. Oh, we dressed like twins again.
Michigan representing.
I know, look at this. Representing our great state of Michigan.
Well, it's more the football team, but yeah, state too.
No, it's the state. Fantastic dinner,
So good.
but
Makes walking hard.
yeah, it makes walking a lot
After a
harder.
big steak. Let's go for a walk
Hey,
at altitude.
we rested like 40 minutes, but we've kind of been sitting around all day because it's been so rainy and cold, and it's like gorgeous out tonight right now. So we headed to the right of where we're camping. It is so
Which
pretty.
is east.
So pretty.
Headed east.
We love aspens. They are just gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, it's so pretty down there. Where's Daisy? Daisy! Yep, I see her in there. Did you see the deer? Did you? Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi, Pickles. Hi, Pickles. Love you too. What are you doing sitting on Papa? What are you doing?
You put her up there.
She likes it though. She's like, this is awesome. I could sit here for hours. And once again, we were treated to a beautiful sunset, ending another beautiful day. Sunset, 9:15. What do we do in the evening? We got Lance over here working. This cozy little area. Emmy sits up here waiting for a treat. Anytime we walk over here, she thinks she's getting one, because we keep the treats down in here. And then over here is where I like to sit and do work. It is so cozy. I'm going to be looking up where we're going to go next. We're not sure if we want to go east toward Pagosa or we want to go west toward Mesa Verde. We're going to do that. And then Daisy likes to sit up here and look out the window, don't you? So that's what we do in the evenings, and a lot of the evenings, if I'm not beating Lance in a game. No comment?
Who won Racco yesterday?
Who won Scrabble?
Who won Yahtzee?
Who won Yahtzee before that?
Just saying.
Just saying.
Pretty close.
It's about equal. Well, it's a little rainy and got really chilly when the clouds came in. So we are just hanging out while Lance is working. I'm hanging out in the tent here. And oh, there's Lance. Hi.
Hey. Sorry to bother you. Sounds like it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you warm enough?
Yeah, I got a blanket.
You want another one?
Nope, I'm perfect. Thank you. He's always checking on me. So sweet. Yeah, I'm just hanging out here. This is fun. You can hear some thunder rumble and it's starting to sprinkle. But we do want to go kayaking later. So we're hoping that this clears up a little later in the afternoon and we can do that. Well, it did clear up in the afternoon and we headed back north to go kayaking. But first, we had to check out this overlook. We are going to kayak Mollis Lake today. So we headed a little further. Someday you're going to do that and you're really going to fall. I'm not going to help you. We headed a little further up 550. Stopped at a rest stop before the lake. And I think we're going to have a view of the lake we'll be on. Here we go. We're going to kayak on that lake.
I didn't bring my phone.
Oh my gosh. Are we gonna swim after?
Oh, yeah.
He says yeah.
We'll dump right in the middle. Can I have the oars or oar?
Let's go. There's fish jumping all over out of the water.
And it's really windy. So we're gonna get blown all over the place. But it's a small lake. We can't get blown too far.
Well, we've been out here 5 minutes and all of a sudden
Huge thunder.
we hear thunder.
And lightning coming. And I'm holding a metal pole, so that's fun.
No, what's worse than that is I'm holding my good camera. Shoot. Oh yeah, that's looking kind of wicked. That is beautiful. The storm looked like it might not hit us, so we stayed on and so glad we did. This lake is stunning. And look at what we saw flying around. Oh
It's like that everywhere.
my gosh. Every direction.
There's another one in the water.
Lance just saved one that was
There's
drowning.
Another one in the water. Get off, buddy. Here, hold it.
I can't reach that
I gotta try
direction.
to get to the other one. Oh, get up, get up. Look at a bunch of them are trying to save them. I think that's really cool.
These are the blue damselflies. They're closely related to dragonflies, but can be distinguished by their delicate, narrow wings that fold along their bodies when they're at rest. They have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot and catch small prey like mosquitoes or flies mid-flight. They contribute to a healthy ecosystem by controlling insect population. They are also known as an indicator species, which means when you see them in large quantities like this, the ecosystem is healthy. You see the rain right there. The rain started coming and we made a beeline for the shore.
Yeah, I want to get out.
I think the sun's coming back out.
Just put
That was a really short rain. But I think we're gonna try this again. It keeps stopping and raining and stopping and raining. And it's gotten way colder.
It's not raining a ton, so we're taking a shot here, but as I look at these clouds, we hope they don't turn into lightning clouds.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll try a little bit more, and if not, we'll give up on it. 2 minutes later, it's raining again.
Raining good this time.
Oh, now we'll get the downpour. But we just stayed, and sure enough, it stopped a few minutes later. And I'm glad we did, because look what we spotted next. A bald eagle. No matter how many times you see a bald eagle, it's always special. And we've never got this close to a wild one before. He's literally right above us. We're not bothering him at all. He looks down once in a while. He's beautiful. Wow. They have incredible eyesight. They can spot their prey from several miles away, thanks to eyes that are 4 to 5 times sharper than humans. So while we're looking at the eagle, look what's above us. Yeah, I think we'll get back now before this dumps on us. Okay, we're going in now. Yeah.
Bobby Joe's getting a picture of a little chipmunk standing up with his mouth full of an apple core. He's just cute as can be.
I know they're just chipmunks, but I find them so adorable. Happy birthday, Joe!
How are you?
We met Joe through our church 7 years ago and adopted her as family. We also stay in constant contact with her when we travel, and she hates it when we're gone. Today is her 90th birthday. We're out gathering wood. It's nice out here.
With a 30-foot long tree attached to it.
Oh, we could have drug it back. Fun getting your own wood for a campfire. Just along the forest road here. What happens when you gather wood in the car? It gets dirty, which then leads to cleaning the car, which it needed, and we did. Tonight's dinner is catfish and zucchini and rice. And Lance has his other steak. I cut it. See if I did it right this time.
You did it right last time.
I don't know, but it was a little too done.
No, that was great.
Come on, a little pink inside.
It's pinker.
Yay! Well, off to bed, and join us on some more adventures next time.